Welcome to KLBiologyNEET. In this video, we are going to discuss blood clotting children. Before that, you remember in last video, I asked a question like in a trauma condition, the doctor don't have time to diagnose the blood group. So, which blood group will be transfusing for the patient? Yes, many of you said it is O. Yes, O is universal donor only, very correct. The two O negative. As you know, RH also matters in transfusion and clumpsing. So, O negative is the answer. Shall we proceed to the blood clotting today? Yes. So, in blood clotting, if you see, formation of gel-like matrix. So, it will be like a clumsy, or you can say even coagulum. Okay, for example, you imagine when your mummy is having a milk, you just put 1 or 2 drops of lemon, what happens? It forms a coagulum, yes or not? So, like that, it has to form coagulum. That is what we call it as blood clotting. Actually, 13 enzymes participate in blood clotting, just like passing the ball. You might have played in lower classes, no? You have to keep on passing the ball. So, like that. But we have only 2 steps explained in NCERT. Let us see that one. Okay. So, first step, we are going to convert prothrombin. Get converted into thrombin. Okay. And with the help of enzyme called thromboplastin. Or thrombokinase. Of course, the possible question of this equation is, they may ask you which vitamin is essential for prothrombin. Of course, it is vitamin K is essential for formation of prothrombin. Okay. And next thing, what happens in next step, let us see. So, we are converting fibrinogen into fibrin. So, this fibrinogen is soluble form, and fibrin is a network or mesh like structure. Of course, it is insoluble. And with the help of enzyme thrombin. So, this is how we are forming. I told you, passing the ball. Only if this step is formed, we can able to convert. You know, children, if the blood doesn't clot within the time, it leads to a disease. You all know. Can you comment the answers? Fine. So, we are converting fibrinogen into fibrin. That is what actually the clot or mesh. For this, we need calcium ions playing a major role in blood clotting. So, possible questions I told you, I discussed with you. And which may not clot? Is it blood serum or plasma or RBC? Can you post your answers for this also? Fine. So, I hope you all understood. Any doubts, any queries, please follow us on Telegram, Instagram or Facebook. I provided the list in the description box also. Thank you all, children.